Welcome students, myself Shubhajit Dev. I am the vocational trainer of electronics at Baravisha High School HS Alipurduar, and my training provider is Orion EduTech Private Limited. So with this short intro, let's roll the intro. Students, in this video we will demonstrate about assembling and disassembling process of microwave oven parts. But before discussing about this process, we need to know few informations regarding this topic. As we all know that microwave oven work on very high voltage and current. So in this regard, we need to mention those parts such as number 1 high voltage capacitor, number 2 high voltage transformer, number 3 magnetron, number 4 high voltage rectifier assembly including a diode, number 5 high voltage wires. And why I am mentioning these points, that will be clear to you in the later part of the video, where we will discuss about the safety and precaution parameters regarding the use of microwave oven during attempting the assembling and deassembling process. Now for assembling and deassembling process, we need several instruments like a multi-purpose screwdriver, and the second one is a microwave oven. Now we have come to our main topic, which is assembling and deassembling process of microwave oven parts. Here we need to follow several steps to complete this method. The first one is locate the fixed screws in the cabinet or housing of the microwave oven. The number 2 is unscrew the fixed screws of housing as shown in the following slide. Number 3 is push the housing backward to detach it from the main unit. And finally, for installation or assembling is the reverse mechanism of deassembling process. So we need to make housing turn up edge sleeve forward along with the cavity combination as shown in the slide, and during this process pay attention to feed both sides of the housing, also at the same time raise turn up edge to cavity combination. As we have discussed earlier that microwave oven consists of several high voltage and current components. That's why we need to maintain few precautions while attempting the assembling and disassembling process. While the first one is always follow the manufacturer's instruction manual and the safety precautions for your own safety. Number 2 is before touching any part of the oven, always remove the power plug from the outlet. Number 3 is do not become exposed to radiation from the microwave generator or other parts conducting microwave energy. Other than this, easy internal access is useful for repair, but it is potentially dangerous. The main danger is the high voltage capacitor, which can store 2100 volt, that can shock the user when tempering, even when the microwave is unplugged too. Enjoy the video.